Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am finally going to be going over what I got during the Sephora holiday sale. I have been waiting probably like 2 weeks now. I don't know if I'm making that up. I think 2 weeks, if not a little bit less, for the stuff that I ordered online. I got some stuff in store too, but I ordered a lot of stuff online and it took a while to get shipped to me just because they were backed up. So everything finally came in the mail today. So I am going to be showing you guys everything that I picked up during the sale, everything that I was most excited to get my hands on. So that is what today's video is all about. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you love makeup videos, if you love self-tanning videos, just the most fun things to talk about. Then definitely make sure that you are subscribed. I give you guys 3 videos a week and it just means the world to me if you do, so thank you. But if you want to see what I got during the Sephora sale, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, I've got a few things, so I'm just gonna get started. I don't have an order that I'm going in, but I've got 2 bags right here, and then I have 2 boxes that just came in today. I already took all the stuff out though, so I'm not making too much noise on camera. So yeah, first thing that I ended up getting is something that you guys absolutely need if you don't have this already. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I got this mini duo just because I was between this and like one of the full-sized ones, but I feel like these would come in so handy to be able to like put in your purse if you're going somewhere and you just want to do a little more setting spray. You never know when you're gonna need it. So I decided to get the 2 smaller ones instead. So I love this. Literally, I've been recommending this to everyone. It's like cement for your face, but in the best way that you could possibly think of. Literally, when I put this on, my makeup does not move for the entire day. I have not tried a setting spray that works better than this, so highly, highly, highly recommend if you have not tried this already that you do, because it's freaking amazing. So that I had to get my hands on, and I'm super happy that I got 2 of them. Next up, I got from DIOR. It's the Lip Glow in shade Pink 1. I have the lip oil, which I'm pretty sure I talked about in my recommendations video. And I saw this one because I was going to grab another lip oil, but then I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I kind of want to try this because it's almost like a chapstick, which is really, really good for like every day, just on the go. So I wanted this. I still have a lot left in my lip oil, so I was like, I could get away with doing this instead. And it's beautiful. Let me just swatch on the back of my hand a little bit just to see what it looks like. It feels really good. And it's just like the oil. It's like pretty transparent with the tiniest little tint of pink. Super, super beautiful. This is gonna be like a new everyday product for me, I think. It's really pretty, and this packaging is insane. Like, how could you, I just can't wait to pull this out of my bag, you know? It's really, really pretty. So that I'm excited to test out. Next, I finally got a new eyebrow product because if you guys have been with me for a while, you know my obsession for the Benefit brow powder. I wear it every single day and I'm pretty much out of mine, but I can't find it anywhere. Like, I can't find it on Ulta, Sephora, the Benefit website. Like, I think they discontinued it, which is super unfortunate, so I had to get another one. So I got the Anastasia brow powder duo. I got mine in the shade dark brown. So I had this one in the past. I just stopped using it when I started using the Benefit one. Not because one was better than the other, I just started using something new and I kept going with it. So I'm going back to this to see if it lives up to the Benefit one. And here is this. I think this was the second to darkest shade, second or third. Yeah, I'm hoping this ends up working really nice for me, but glad I got this during the sale. The next thing I got, I also mentioned in my recommendations video, and they are the Dr. JART CRYO rubber masks. I got one of the brightening ones and then one of the firming ones. I cannot stress to you guys how freaking good these masks are. I love using these. I think I want to use one tonight because once I'm filming this, it's the week of Thanksgiving and I just want like a nice little relaxing pamper night before the holidays. So maybe I'll use one of these, but I love these. They're so good. They work so well and they're so fun to put on. So you need these in your life. Next product I got is a refill of my Benefit Roller Lash because I'm almost out of the one that I have now and I just can't let myself run out of this. This is just one of those products that you know is good, you know you're obsessed with, and you just need it at all times. Such a good mascara. Hands down my favorite one, and I'm pretty sure I saw something about a sale on it for Black Friday, so I might have to snag a few more just because I can never have too many of these. I run out of them fast because I literally use them every day of my life. So good. If you haven't tried this, go get it. I think I also mentioned this in my recommendations video. Must have. Next, this I also mentioned. I mentioned quite a few of these in my recommendations video. As you can see, I took my own advice with a lot of these because they're all such good products. But this is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. Mine is in shade, I think it's 4. So this I had to get because I'm almost out of my other one and the brush applicator on it like split open. So I've just been using a brush to take out the product and put it on my face. So it was definitely time for a new one, a refill. This has very quickly become a favorite of mine. I feel like I've been using this over everything else lately because it's just so good. So definitely had to get one of these. Next is another Charlotte Tilbury product, and this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in shade 2 medium. You guys already know my love for this product. I've gone through, I think, 2 full things of these, and then I hit pan already on another one that I have inside of a Charlotte Tilbury palette, but this is what it looks like. This is just such a good powder. Literally makes you look so airbrushed, like you have a Snapchat or Instagram filter on your face in real life. It's stunning what this does for you. This is another product that I always recommend to literally everyone I know because it's just, nobody's not gonna like this, if you know what I mean. It's just such a good product. You can do a tiny bit, you can do a lot. It still looks amazing no matter how you use it. It's just such a good product and another one that I can never run out of. So that's all the stuff that I ordered online. Now for the stuff that I got in store. So the next 2 products are from Glow Recipe. So I got a refill of the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is my daytime serum that I use. It just helps with like brightening. It feels very hydrating on my skin. It's just, this is one of my favorite moisturizers. I've been using it for quite a few months now and I just can't live without it. It's so good. My mom uses this all the time too because it's really, really nice. So I had to get a refill of this. And then I ran out of my vitamin C serum that I was using and I wanted to try this one, so I got this instead. It's the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum for brightening and evening skin tone. So I saw this online and I was like, I want to try this because I love the niacinamide one so much that I was like, I'll probably love the vitamin C one too. So I'm gonna be using the niacinamide one as usual during the day. And then the vitamin C one is gonna be my nighttime, like before bed serum. So yeah, super, super excited to try this one out. I'm really hoping that it works really well because honestly, for serums, neither of these were very expensive at all. I think this, when it's not on sale, is like 35 bucks. And then I think this was in the 40s somewhere. So I think together for both of those with the discount, I paid like 60 something, which is like less than you would pay for some serums for just like one. So that's super exciting. Can't wait to test that one out. And then for the last bag of stuff that I have here, I had to get a refill of my Dermalogica Active Moist Moisturizer. This is hands down my favorite moisturizer in the world. If you subscribe to my channel and have been keeping up with my videos, you know I mention this moisturizer in like almost all of my videos because this is like my every morning, every night, just everything foundation. It's so good, so lightweight, so moisturizing, doesn't break you out, feels like there's nothing on your skin, but it's still so hydrated. It's just the best moisturizer in the world, and I ran out, so I had to get another one. Very glad that I got it during the sale too, because this is not the cheapest thing in the world. I'll link all of these products in the description box too, just in case you want to check any of them out, but had to get that. Next product I got, I already filmed a video on, so I've already opened this, but it's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit in Universe. This is new to me. I saw that this palette came out and I wanted to try it really, really bad because these are all the kinds of colors that I love to use. I talk more about this in depth in my video that I filmed about it, so go check that video out if you want to know more about the palette. But basically, I freaking love it. I've been using it pretty much almost every day since getting it, and it just looks so good on the face. All the colors are so beautiful. Everything just looks so nice and just melts into your skin so beautifully. Here's what the colors look like right here. So you get like a face powder, 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter, and none of these products disappoint. I'll tell you right now, everything just looks so beautiful when you put it on, and the palette itself is insane. Like, I want to carry this like this everywhere I go because it's just so beautiful. So definitely happy I got this, and I'm definitely going to be abusing this palette more than I already have. So last up from the stuff that I got during the sale is this little kit from BELIF. So I originally wanted to get a refill of the moisturizing eye balm, which is this in the middle. My favorite eye cream. If you haven't tried it, go get it right now and thank me later, because it's literally the best eye cream I've ever tried in my life. It changes the game for makeup and your skin under your eyes and just everything. Ever since I started using this, my under eyes just look so much more youthful. I know I'm only 25, but the crepiness that was there under my eyes is nowhere near as bad as it was before I started using this, and just makeup on top of it looks amazing. So I went in looking for just that, and then I saw that this kit was being sold for the same price as just the moisturizer would be. So I got the kit, and I got these little 3 things for free. So basically I got my eye cream, the moisturizing eye balm, and then you get like a mini size of the True Cream, the moisturizing balm, which is a face moisturizer. By the way, I've had BELIF face moisturizers and they're amazing. They are a little bit on the thicker side, but they're amazing for hydrating your skin. And then the next product in here is the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser, which I'm definitely going to be testing out. And then the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. So I have to say, I've been pretty bad about using a toner, so I'm super excited to test this one out and see what I think about it, because I just haven't found a toner, honestly, that I like. So I'm excited about this one. These are all products that I will definitely be using, and such a steal. Like, getting all of this for the same price that I would get for just the eye cream sold me. So yeah, that was the last product. As you can see, I got quite a few things. Lots of things that were refills and repurchases, and then a bunch of new stuff too that I'm excited to try out. So that's it. That's all I got during the sale. Let me know what you guys think about all of my choices of things that I bought and saved a little bit of money on. If you guys got anything during the sale, let me know what you ended up getting too. Comment, just give me your thoughts. Say hello, give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.